Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. This is your SST teacher and today we are going to start our new unit number 4, which is culture and society, and our topic is communication.
Students, let's discuss our objectives first. Students, you will be able to learn about communication and you will be able to learn about the ways of communication.
What's communication? Let's define this term first. Students, when we talk to one another, we are communicating our idea or feelings to the other person. That is communication. In this lesson, we will study about how we communicate and can keep ourselves well informed through information received from the media. Students, we can communicate through talking or writing out the information that we need to convey. Humans have been communicating since ancient times. At first, using gestures and signs, and later through referring to objects that they started to assign names to. There have been discoveries of ancient cave drawings in Europe and elsewhere, which shows that drawings were used as a tool for communication. Similarly, the American Indians were able to send smoke signals to communicate certain information. In South America, the natives used to tie knots in a rope to communicate their message. Students, nowadays things have been changed. There are different ways in which we can communicate. Communicate means we can convey our idea or our thoughts or our feelings to the other person with one another. The radio, television, newspaper, telephone and internet are all used to give us information from all over the world.
Now we will read our text from our textbook page number 82. As you can see at top of the page, we are going to read our unit number 4, which is culture and society, and our topic is communication and transport, but today we will learn about communication. Student, as we have discussed in the video, that communication means ways of keeping in touch with someone else. When we communicate by speaking, writing or making signs, these are all ways of communication. Speaking, writing or by making signs or gestures, we get information. Information is knowledge about an issue, problem, event, process or subject. We receive and convey information all the time in many different ways. So, dear students, conversation and actions, including body language, convey information. We can listen, read and watch different things to get information. The information we get is valuable because it can affect our behavior, our decisions and outcomes. The written word is the best form of communication that has ever been invented. In books and magazines, we can read about any subject in the world. We can do this anywhere and at any time. More books have been written than any of us could read even in 20 lifetimes. So students, in this passage we came to know that books, the written word, is the best form of communication, and more books have been written than any of us could read even in 20 lifetimes. Students, now we will discuss the means of communication. The first is post offices. To an ordinary person mean a common man. The postal system is the most important means of communication. For a nominal charge, a letter can be sent to any part of the world. Newspapers, magazines, books and parcels can also be sent by post. You can even send money by sending a money order within the country. Courier services also deliver documents and parcels, which is very important nowadays. In less money, in no money, you can send important documents or parcels to anywhere in your country. Even in the next passage, you will see mail within the country is carried by vans, buses, trains and aeroplanes. Letters to foreign countries are sent by air. You can also send letters to the foreign countries, to the other countries. There are thousands of post offices all over the country. Student, that was all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about communication and post offices. Do reading of page number 82 at your home. Stay safe. Thank you.